Welcome to Love Life. Transitioning from being a spender to a saver can be challenging, but with dedication and the right mindset, it's entirely possible. Here are 20 practical tips, including motivational ideas, to help you make the switch. Set clear goals. Define your financial objectives, whether it's building an emergency fund, buying a home, or retiring comfortably. Having a clear vision will motivate you to save. Create a budget. Develop a monthly budget that tracks your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Track your expenses. Keep a detailed record of every expense. This will make you more aware of where your money is going and help you identify unnecessary spending. Prioritize debt. If you have high-interest debts, focus on paying them down first. Reducing your debt burden will free up more money for savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. Treating savings like a bill ensures consistency. Pay yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings before paying any bills or expenses. This ensures that you save consistently. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate non-essential expenses, such as dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases. Use cash envelopes. Allocate cash for specific spending categories like groceries and entertainment. When the cash is gone, you can't spend more. Plan meals. Meal planning can reduce food expenses significantly. Cook at home more often and avoid eating out. Shop smart. Look for sales, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. Consider buying generic brands instead of name brands. Set milestones. Celebrate small achievements along the way to your financial goals. Recognizing progress can boost motivation. Visualize your goals. Create visual reminders of your financial goals, such as vision boards or savings thermometers. Seeing your progress can be inspiring. Find a saving buddy. Partner with a friend or family member who also wants to save money. You can motivate each other and hold each other accountable. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance through books, podcasts, or courses. Understanding money management can be empowering. Emergency fund first. Aim to build an emergency fund equal to at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It provides security and peace of mind. Delayed gratification. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. Often, you'll find you don't want it as much as you initially thought. Track progress regularly. Review your financial progress regularly, such as monthly or quarterly. This helps you stay on track and adjust your strategy if needed. Reward yourself occasionally. Plan occasional, budget-friendly rewards for achieving milestones. It can make the journey more enjoyable. Visualize future benefits. Imagine the financial security and freedom you'll have by saving now. This long-term perspective can motivate you to save more. Stay positive. Avoid self-criticism if you slip up occasionally. Building better financial habits takes time, and setbacks are part of the process. Stay positive and keep moving forward. Remember, the key to successfully transitioning from a spender to a saver is persistence and consistency. Motivate yourself by keeping your goals in mind and celebrating your progress along the way.